Now you break this camera, I'm gonna break that.
Time to sit back and unwind.
I don't know, it's about 20 degrees outside, something crazy like that. Oh, okay. Okay, snow. What's that? Oh my God, somebody here. Bye, Mara. Goodbye. Okay. It's a slow day. I'm not going to work. And we just gonna roll. I don't even see mine no more. There he is. They said up to 8 inches. Whew, Lord, I done ran around here. But this is good because I've been studying and reading and meeting this and meeting that. And I'm just out here just enjoying the snow. I don't care to drive in it, but I will play a little bit in it, okay? That's my story. I'm sticking to it. That was a good one. Yeah. You feel that? Alright, you. Snowstorm. Literally, we are in the middle. Lord. It's red. Go ahead on in. We're still trying to sled. You know what? One thing for sure, nobody crazy out here, but us. But
tomorrow.
I know he would not get that whole thing.